Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday morning here in my shop, and welcome to my shop. I thought I would invite you in this morning and show you something new I got in the mail. Um, Funny how strange coincidences pop up. I was just getting ready to order some new servo screws from RTL Fasteners, and they contacted me and said, "We want to send you our assortment. Take a look at it and see what you think." And so it arrived, and let me show it to you here. What this is basically an assortment of servo screws, and I believe there's some other things in there too. So let's open it up. You guys bear with me. I'm fighting allergies, so kind of a mouth breather this morning. And let's pull everything out. Okay, so we got a lot of stuff here. Okay, so we've got some 2 by 5/16, 2 by 9/16, some 3 by 5/8, some 2 by 7/16, and some 3 by 7/16, and 2 packs of nylon washers. Looks like a number 4 and a number 2 for the number 2s and 3s. Those are nice because they give you a little more cushioning. So before you put the servo screw down in, put the nylon washer on, in between that and the rubber grommet, you end up with a nice soft mount for the servo. Well, let's talk a little bit about their product here while I'm kind of reviewing this for them. First of all, if you notice, you usually see this on your package. And this is a quality control sticker. That's one thing I like about RTL is you will see this on your order. They'll randomly check one of them to make sure that that everything's there. And actually, you see we got a little more. How about that? The other thing I want to tell you about RTL is how inexpensive it is. If you go and buy a 24 pack of Dubro servo screws, it's going to cost you anywhere from $4 to $5, depending on where you buy it. The same 24 pack of the same size servo screw will cost you about $240 or $250 at RTL. So they definitely save you some money. This entire assortment, which is 500 servo screws and the washers, is $27.85. You work it out, you're saving a lot of money buying it this way. The other cool thing that I like about their packaging is if you happen to use like a hardware or screw organizer, you know, the boxes with a lot of little drawers, you can actually, if you're careful, you can pull these stickers off, and it actually has the description and everything, and you can stick it right on the front of the drawer. So that's kind of nice. And also, the thing that I would tell you is that I've been an RTL customer for many years now, and one thing that I've never gotten from them is a dud. And what I mean by that is when you get a piece of hardware, let's say these servo screws, these larger ones, where the hex head is, sometimes you'll get one that has, you know, maybe the hex head wasn't cast properly, or it's broke off, or there's, you know, garbage in there. The screws are pretty high quality stuff, and I've been real satisfied with them. They get them out to you fast, you know, so that's really about all I can say about it. I've been real pleased with them. I'm glad I got to see this pack, and now I think I'm set with servo screws for a while. And if you're like me, you probably use them in other places too, so it's good to have a wide assortment of sizes. That's about it. I'm going to finish up my coffee now, and you guys go back to your building, and that's what I'm going to do too. So thanks for dropping in, and we'll catch up with you soon. Take care.